All right, good people. We give you that other move. Remember, we always over deliver. So we gave you the front angle, right? We gave you the front angle on that basic, right? We gave you the side angle on that basic, the basic 4, those free videos that we give you out. That third angle, right? We got all that good. So now we're gonna do the back angle. Right, we're still learning. We're getting beautiful with this game. We're still learning. As you all learn, we're learning. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna give you this angle, just like when you were in class. If you were in class and I got people lined up, I'm gonna go back to them, right? So we're giving you the fourth angle. Fourth angle, the basic move, the basic number 1 out of 4 basics. Remember, it's 2 feet up. So you're going 1, 2, you're stepping back on 3. Slide over 4, because we're getting back on, right? Get back to our starting point. This is 4, this is 5, we're stepping back, 6, and 7, and 8. We'll do it again. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with that back move, you'll be able to mirror my move. We want you all to see it from all angles. We ain't missing it. We're just gonna get it. That's our basic. Remember, one more time. We're going 1, 2. Right foot in front of the left foot. Don't give me that back foot on the second move, on the second step. That's not the first move. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna give you the second move. Front basic. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And remember, your motion is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like the other videos on the side of you, okay? But we're gonna do it this because we're in class. We're going 1, 2, 3, follow my feet. 4, 5, 6, you ain't gotta do all that marching. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Stepping smooth. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm going a little harder so you all can see my legs going. Now there's another 1 and 4. That's more advanced. You'll get those videos later. Now we're going to the third basic of the basics from the back view, from the class view. And here we go. Now remember, then we showed you the basic. We showed you the front basic. We showed you the first basic was the regular basic. This is the most important basic, right? 1 right up and back, right? Second basic, up and back. Now the third basic that I'm showing you, which is in most classes all over the country, the first basic. It's wrong? Yeah, it's wrong. I said it. I got 50 years of experience to say this. So I'm telling you it's wrong. And the reason why it's wrong is because if you lead someone and they're walking up to a turn, they have to take 2 steps forward. That is why the front basic is the most important basic, because you have to take those 2 steps up in order to receive the turn. It's just common stepping sense. Now what they're teaching out here is they're teaching you to go back on 2. So and this is the third of the basic. The reason why you go back on 2 is because the person leading you is taking you, is making you step back on 2. It's not your choice. It's the choice of whoever leading in this dance, whether it's a male or female, dog, cat, Uncle Larry, Uncle Joe, Little Susie, anybody, I don't care. But let's get it right, y'all. Yeah, I'm getting a little frustrated. Anyway, third basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this angle, you're stepping back. You're going 1, 2. You notice I'm stepping back. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're doing it again. 1, 2, 3. Follow my feet. 4, 5, 6, 7. Follow my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that move is initiated because on 2, the person is giving you a slight touch to make you stay in this lane. That's all it is. It's very simple, very easy. But don't get it confused. It is not the most important basic move. The most important basic move can take you into a fake, a half turn, a right turn, all that stuff. But if you step back and somebody gonna turn you, you're not in the right position to receive the turn. So now you just step back and now they turn you like, oh Lord, I got a turn. Oh my goodness, no. You complicating something that's simple. Anyway, now we're doing the fourth one. Which is the one that's used most of the time. One of my favorites. I might use it too much, I don't know. Your partner will tell you doing that too much. Now, it's the fourth one. It's a fake, okay? Now we're doing it from the stepping angle, from the class angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're pivoting on that one, on that left foot coming out. As soon as you come out, you pivot. 2, step back on 3. Smooth. 4, we gotta get back on. Pivot again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're pivoting on 1 and 4. We're pivoting out on 4, 4, 5, 6. We're pivoting back. This is it from the other angle. 1, 2, 3. So it makes a whole lot of sense. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're doing this a couple more times because I like the move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This move can take you to so many moves, like this one here. 7, 8. You're gonna get all this stuff. We got it groovy. We got a groovy thing going for y'all. I want y'all to get this dance. 50 years experience. You can talk to me if you want to. You can question me about my abilities. I got no problem with that. I'll debate anybody on this dance floor. That phrase about the dance is all about the woman. Oh my God. So if I'm following, am I female all of a sudden? No, The dance is about y'all. All right, everybody. You got those 4 from the back, like you were in class. So you really can't complain, and you really can't stand on it. You know what I'm saying? You know good and well. You got all 4 angles. We got this angle, right? We got this angle, right? We got this angle, right? And we got this 4th angle. Oh, I'm sorry. I got it all beside myself. Thank y'all. Glad y'all hanging with us. Stay with your boy. I'm telling you, you'll be all over the world doing this dance so lovely. Your own way, your own flavor. That's what this dance needs. It needs everybody to have their own individuality. It's called original for a reason, not just a category in a contest. Oh, I'm going again. Okay. Thank you.